In this video, I'll show you how we can find out the sum of all digits of a number in Python. For example, if we have to find the sum of all digits for 1 to 3, then it will return 6. I'm gonna create one function. So it's the name of this find sum. It will take one number and it will return the value of sum. So let's create one variable sum as 0, so it will return the value of sum. So this variable will hold the sum of all the digits of the number. For that, we will use one while loop. So this loop will add the rightmost digit of this number. We will change it, we'll remove the rightmost digits from that number. So suppose I am passing 1, 2, 3 to this method. Then this while loop will run. So it will run while 1, 2, 3. That means while it is more than 0. Then for the first iteration, it will add the value sum plus equal to 1 to 3, this modulo 10, that means 3. And then it will change the value of 1 to 3 to 1 to 3 by 10, that means 12. This is the first iteration. After this, our value of sum will be 3 and the value of 1 to 3 will be 12. Then in the second iteration, so while 1 2, that means it will run because 12 is greater than 0. It will add the value of sum plus equal to 2. So it will pick the rightmost digit of 1 2 and it will add it to sum, and then it will change it 12 to 12 by 10, that means 1. So after the second iteration, our value of sum will be 2 plus 3, that means 5, and value of this number is 1. The third iteration, it will again run because while 1, the value of number is 1. So value of number is 1 and it's greater than 0. Then it will add the value of sum plus equal to 1. 1 modulo 10 is 1. Then it will change the value of 1 to 1 by 10, that means it will become 0. This, our value of sum will become 6 and the value of this number will become 0, and the next while loop will not run because it is 0. So it will run only till the value of number is greater than 0. So it will return the value of sum as 6. This is a new method, so we need to call it. So let me use print and find sum. Let's pass this 1 to 3. Now if I run it, here we don't need this space here. So if I run it, then you can see that it prints the value of all the digits, that is 6. Similarly, if I pass this as 1 2 3 4 and if I run it now, then it prints 10. That is the value of sum of all these digits. We can also find it in a different way. So we can convert this number to a string and we can iterate through all the characters of the string and convert each character to integer. So for that, we need to first convert it to a string. So we can easily convert it to one number to a string in Python using this constructor str, and this will be a string str number. So here we need to iterate through all the characters of this string. So I'm using this for loop, so it will run from 0 to this length of the string -1. Then inside this, I'm gonna add the value of each character, that means each digit of the string number. So it's adding the value of integer value of each character. For example, if you are passing 1 to 3, then it will convert it to a string. So its value is str num. Then it iterates from 0 to 2, so that means it will 0. This one is for index 1 and this one is index 2, and for each one it will pick the character. The first character is 1 and it will convert it to an integer, that is 1, and it will add it to sum. For the next character, similarly, it will pick this 2, it will convert it to an integer, and then it add it to the sum. And for the last character also it will do the same thing, and the sum will hold the sum of all the digits of the original number, that is 1 to 3. So if I run it now, then you can see it prints the same output. So for now, so I hope that you learned how we can find out the sum of digits of a number in Python. So if you have any questions, please drop one comment below. Also, please subscribe to my channel.